Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Gold. So today in this video we'll be talking about how to make money from Price Rebel. So Price Rebel is something like a survey site which is very similar to Swagbucks. So we'll see about its review later on in this video. Now if you are interested in survey sites and knowing more about it and getting paid from it, you can check out my playlist which will be in the description box below. Now without dragging, we'll start off with the video. Now this is the website guys, so this is pricerebel.com. I will leave the link below in the description box. Like as usual, you can check it out. Now Price Rebel is a get paid to site. It's a survey site where you can make money from working out on a survey. So these are all the payment methods and other options where you can get paid to. So here you just have to create an account. You will be providing some personal information which will not be shared to any other third party sites, but still they will be using it for their survey, quality survey, and getting people right inside. And also I feel like that is very similar to other sites that ask for your personal information to sign up in their website. So here they have also given some Trustpilot and SiteJobber's review. Even I checked it, I cross-checked it with SiteJobber and Trustpilot whether this one is actually the same as what they have given. So it's actually same. They have given around 3.1 star rating. Most of them have given a positive review and feedback, and I have also felt the same. Now after signing up, you will be ending up in this dashboard. If you want to make money, click on the earn tab, or you can even scroll down through this main dashboard page where you can see so many options to make money. Now I will also be telling you all the pros and cons of this website later on in this video. But before that, we'll just move on walking through, like, experience the site, whether it's okay for us or not, and something like that. Now when you click on for a survey, you will be ending up with this questionnaire, something like a questionnaire where they will be asking more personal details because they have to match you with the right survey. So that is how it is. I didn't get that. I am not a perfect match for that survey. So we'll just try, we'll just walk in through this site. In earn tab you will be able to see all the earning options, and in rewards you will be able to withdraw your amount and look in through your rewards that you have. In win you will be having some lucky draws and something like that. So I'm here in this earn tab where you can see all the possible survey options you can make money from. So here they will be asking you for your profile setup. So these are all basic questions, basic personal profile data that they will be asking you. So after providing that, you will be here where you can see all the FAQs, and also you'll be able to see all the different type of survey. If you have watched all my survey videos and review videos, you will be able to notice that I will always be trying out this Peanut Lab, because Peanut Lab is one of those survey site that gives you more surveys. So I'll be using that. Now before moving on with that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now with this Peanut Lab, telling you the truth, I didn't get into any of this site, or I didn't get any reward points for it. You can still see that I have just got 10 points as a signing up bonus. And most importantly, I will also leave the bonus referral code that you can get when you are signing up. If you are interested, if you are going to sign up to this website, you can use my referral code to get 25 points as a bonus, signing up bonus. And so I'll start off with it. I have just gone through all of these things. I have seen which is going to work and which is not going to. Now I'll tell my part on this one. So first and foremost, I'll start with ways of making money from this website. So number one will be offers. They have so many offers available here. And most importantly, number two, which I should have told it before, number two will be like making money from surveys. Surveys plays the major part of this website. You will be making so much of money from surveys itself, but still the number of surveys that you get and number of frequency of that survey will depend upon the location that you are in. So I cannot assure you with number of surveys that you will be getting, but still you can make money from it. And also number three will be videos. You can watch video and make money, but after viewing this whole site and looking into which will be uh, perfect for me to make money, I didn't see any options to make money from video, because people from India won't be able to make money from video, because that affects and that plays a major important role in your location. So if you are in India, I think you won't be most probably making money from videos. You will be earning money from only surveys and offer walls. So video is ruled out for India. So most importantly, if you are from US, UK, or somewhere else in Germany, you can make money from watching videos also. Now, our next option is daily challenges. Daily challenges are something that I have also seen in Swagbucks. So it will be something like you will have a target points that you have to reach by completing surveys or making money from other things. So once you reach the targeted point, you will be getting a bonus of 5 or 10 points extra, or 25 points, something like that. So you'll be getting daily challenges. So once completing that, you'll be making money from it. Now the another one that you can make money from this site is through raffles or lucky draw. So you will have lucky draw, where you can enter by just providing a bit of points that you have earned. Maybe it will take around 5 to 10 points, or some bigger raffles will take you a lot of points, like 25 points. If you are lucky enough, you can multiply your points like 5 times or 10 times. I think that's a great option, because within a less number of time you can make so much money. So that is how it is. These are all the ways that I know, and most importantly, you can also make money by inviting your friends. You can send your referral code and ask them to sign up using your code, and you will be making money from it once they sign up and start using that site. Now, there are so many methods of withdrawing your amount from this website, but before talking about withdrawal, you will be getting $1 per 1,000 points. So am I making it clear? I will repeat it again. You will be getting $1 for every 1,000 points. So you can calculate it. Once you have reached $5 threshold, you will be able to withdraw the amount through your PayPal account, or if you are going to use any gift cards or something, that will be like, just $2 threshold, or something like Amazon gift card. Or you can even use League of Legends. I have seen that, but I haven't used it. You can see that PayPal and Amazon in the top, because that is the most preferred method of payment, so I usually use that. So if you're a my type person, you can use PayPal itself. It's safe to get your withdrawal amount in your hand. Another major advantage of using this website, and another important point of making some extra cash from this price rebel, is membership or levels that they have. So when you are entering inside, you will be having bronze membership as default. Once you get 1,000 points, you will be ending up with silver. You have gold, you have diamond. When diamond, I think that's the last option that you have in the membership one. For that, I think you will be needing around 16,000 points to get that membership. You don't have to spend that 16,000 for just getting the membership, but you should be able to earn 16,000. You should have earned 16,000 in the past history. You will be getting that diamond membership. Once you are in diamond membership, you will be getting lots of bonus and lots of discounts, and you will be getting so many referral bonuses. So that's an add-on advantage of having that membership. And so that's all about it, guys. And you can also make money by having your browser add-on extension. So that's another point. So I felt from this review, this website is very similar to Swagbucks. Only the user interface and the theme of this website is bit different, but still I feel the same hang of it. I still feel the Swagbucks and this price rebel is so much similar with all of these offer walls and all the options and ways of making money. Now it's time for my pros and cons. This website has so many ways of making money. and it's free to join, and it has very less threshold. You can get paid in various methods, and various options are available, so I felt that is very comfortable. And about the cons, you will not be getting so many number of options to make money according to your location. So as I have said earlier, if you are from India, you won't be getting that making money from video option and few things, and you'll also be losing out with the amount of and frequency of getting surveys. So that's all about my review, guys. If you really like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you have already tried and tested this website, make sure you comment below and tell us all about how it went for you. So that's all about it, guys. If you have anything, any questions or queries about this site, you can leave it in the comments below. I will make sure I answer it as soon as possible. So that's all about the video, guys. We'll meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.